Hey guys! So today in this video I'll be talking about something. And it's about one of my friends. It's Axe. So basically he was live streaming from Diamond to Unreal. In beat battles, that her sister interrupted her in the middle of the live stream, saying,
Pinkie Pie.
Isn't that from My Little Pony?
Don't you watch that show?
No, because it's for girls. Now if this stream gets 6 likes, I'll do it.
Josh, it already passed 6 likes.
Wait, what?
I'm going with you. Oh, God. It's time to go, baby.
Bro, never trust chat. He's so cooked.